Hi everyone, welcome back to Jewelry Making Fun collaboration hosted by Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hoax Crafty Cottage, here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Please click on it and see what they have created for this month's challenge collaboration. July, we needed to use two of the following colors: lilac, ultraviolet, dark blue, meadow, lake, or lime. So I'm going to show you what I pulled out, and then I'm going to share with you where my head was going. So usually what I like to do when when I look at the colors to create the project, I'll just copy and paste the whole list of words in, and I'll try to get inspiration from Pinterest. That did not happen this time. I don't know if the Pinterest was like, no, that's too much. But anyway, I don't know if I did this in a haul video a while back. Maybe I did. I chose to use this little bucket, and it has these petals. These came from Joann Fabric, and I had wanted to get more of these, but I never got a chance to get more. I got these on a really good deal a while back, so I had separated these into colors that I thought would look good together: purple or lilac, pink, blue, and clear or white. And then the overflow, I put in another one. And then these were like the bolder summer folly colors: orange, yellow, and some greens, and then darker greens. And then I don't remember where I got this from. I think it was online. It was these little roses. You can see them. And they have different colors to them. So this is like yellow, green, and blue. And then this is like blue, purple, pinky color. And then I also used some seed beads, which are these right here. They're gold. They look yellow, gold, right there. Also, I want to just quickly say I could not find any eye pins because those beads, these right here, their opening is pretty wide. And so I like to use an eye pin to do that, but I couldn't find them, so I needed to use head pins. Well, I couldn't find any of my head pins right away. I wanted to get it done and over, but I couldn't find it, and I had to run to Walmart. These were the only color that they had, which is silver, and it only had gold. They had a bunch of gold, but one silver. I want to just tell you something. If you go to a store and you make jewelry and you find that they have these on sale, get them now. It's only 315 in here, and it was $5. I think they used to be 388, but they changed the price. I don't want to go into too much of my disdain for what I saw at the store today, but it made me just not very happy. So I got these, and what I did was I just put a seed bead at the bottom and the top so that this bead wouldn't fall off, because I wanted to capture the color of dark blue, right? And purple, or ultraviolet, which is dark purple. And then the lilac, in my opinion, is just light purple. And this yellow looks yellow, right? Green, yellow, lime, not lime. I didn't want to do any bold colors. I couldn't think of anything actually at first. And then so I came up with this creation right here. I think it's very pretty. So I used a lobster clasp and then a large jump ring. I'm trying to just connect it on my wrist. Let me put it on and I'll show you. So this is how it looks on. I didn't want it to be full. I wanted it to kind of dangle in different places, and I think that this does the trick. I also used a dark purple in the inside of the green and purple right here. So I was tempted to make earrings, but I was like, no. And the reason why I didn't make the earrings is because I was considering going back and filling the spaces in. So I didn't measure it out, but every fourth one has something on it. And I was like, do I really want to make a pair of earrings to go on it? And I just decided not to because I think that this looks. Oh, I messed up. This should be green. Yep, I messed up. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna stress out about it. But yeah, just use a lobster clasp, and I put a large jump ring and then another jump ring on, and that's my project for the month of July. Please again click on the description box to see what the other people that's participated in this collaboration have created. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and until next time, happy crafting.